In today's video, you guys can see 6 ways to style a hoodie. What's up my stylish people? This is Ishank. Welcome back to the channel. Actually, there are few perceptions in terms of wearing the hoodie because when you do not have an outfit, when you feel lazy and if you want that comfy aspect to it, people go for the hoodie. But along with that, if you follow this outfit styles, you can change the perception the way hoodies are taken by other people. Coming to the first way of styling a hoodie, it's the athleisure way of styling, and this is one of the most associated look with the hoodie. But while going for this look, there are few tips which you have to consider in order to look put together. And the first thing, you may not be going jogging with the hoodie in this outfit, but however, if you want to have a quick catch up with your buddies, if you want to go for a coffee shop and still you want to look good, go for the all black look guys. Go for a black hoodie and then pair it up with a slim fit track pants or a joggers. Make sure that here the attention to detail matters the most. In order to get the tapered look, go for a slim or tapered track pants or a tapered joggers. In this case, I am wearing a slim fit track pant from Zara, and the monochrome look, the black and black always looks super stylish guys, but there should be a statement piece. Even though if you're going for a casual outing, you are the stylish guy, don't forget that. So to balance out the monochromatic look, let's add a statement sneaker guys. You can go easy with a white sneaker and still look presentable and still look very good. But if you want to up your style game, you have to go for the bulky sneakers or you have to go for the multicolored sneaker, because the rest of the outfit is a monochromatic outfit and you can play with the colors when it comes to sneakers. Immediately the attention is shifted towards the sneaker, and altogether monochromatic outfits paired with the multicolored sneaker, that's the best combo to go. Coming to the second way to style a hoodie, this may sound super weird guys, it's called tuck-in hoodie. It's my term, I coined the term, there is no term as such. Personally, I like this way of doing because generally when it comes to the hoodie, it comes with a relaxed aspect. In case if you size it down also, at the kangaroo pocket, generally they have so much of fabric and you have that added bulkiness. But if you want to look tapered, this is the best style you can go for. But in order to go for this style, there are few tips you have to consider. Take a solid hoodie, not with any prints, but ensure you use the slim fit hoodie, not too much relaxed fit hoodie. Here you can see I picked a brown color H&M pile lined hoodie, and then I tucked in the hoodie with a drawstring pant. Why I use the drawstring pant here? Because the hoodie have the drawstrings to it. If you go with the normal dressy pant or any chinos, it will not look good at all guys. You have to go with the drawstring pants or any pants which have drawstring to it, be it a slim fit track pant which I showed for the style number 1. You can still go for that, but here the coordination of the drawstrings is really important. That's give the vibe guys. This is one of the outfit styles which can change your style game, because 99.99 I can guarantee they may not be doing this style at all. So obviously you will stand out. Coming to the third style, it's suiting the hoodie. Yes, you heard it right. You can wear the hoodie with the suit as well. But before doing that, what you have to ensure, one, the suit need to be a casual suit, not the formal suit. And second, the suit need to have some pattern to it. If you see this here, I paired a casual suit with checkered pattern on top of it and then use the blue color hoodie. So here, why we are using the pattern on the suits? Because the attention will be on your suit rather than the hoodie. That's where you have to minimize the attention with the hoodie, because you are pairing that with a suit rather than going with a normal denim jacket. And the important aspect you have to consider is the overall size of the hood. The hood size needs to be minimal in order to pair this look guys. To minimize the overall look, you can go with the white sneaker. Don't go bold on the sneaker, because here only the suit and its pattern need to be the standout, not necessarily the rest of the outfit. Coming to the style number 4, it's a favorite style and altogether a relatable style when it comes to styling the hoodies. Yes, you guessed it right, it is with the joggers. Hoodies and joggers go hand in hand when it comes to styling, and it's an easy look to pull off for anyone, but ensure that the jogger is in proportion with the fit of the hoodie. Means if your fit of the hoodie is relaxed, go for a relaxed fit joggers or go for a cargo trousers where they have the bulky pockets. But however, if the hoodie fits you slim, make sure that you go for the slim fit joggers. Here in this look, if you guys can see, I have gone with the all black look. The hoodie is a slim fit one, it's a black hoodie, and then I have gone with the black cargo soft denim joggers. It's an easy going look by going with the joggers and the hoodie, which is super relatable, and I played with the sneakers. It's the color combination which matters, and the proportion of the clothing you have to remember. The proportion of the upper and the proportion of the lower need to be matched in this outfit to look super stylish, guys. Moving on to the style number 5. I call this a contrasty look because here we are playing with the contrast of the colors. So for the uppers, you can go for a statement piece or statement color of hoodie and then add any of the neutral colors and make sure that the color contrast works, and that would be the highlight for this outfit. Here, if you can see, I have gone with the fluorescent green but in a rather muted pastel kind of vibe, and then paired it up with a white jeans. Overall, the contrast between the colors, and always the green color looks well with the white color. Here you are playing with the colors. The attention to detail need to be with the colors, not with the other pieces which you use in the outfit. And to minimize that, for the white jeans, you can go with the white sneakers. So you are just playing with the two colors, and your hoodie would be the statement piece here, and the rest of the outfit complements it. Moving on to the style number 6. In case if you want to style your hoodies in a different way, play with the patterns. Select a hoodie. In case if you can see here, I have gone with the mauve color, or rather a muted orange color, and then you can play with the checkered pattern or a stripes pattern, any pattern which works with the color of the hoodie. In this case, I have gone with the gray checkered patterns, which the checks are not too bold, but they do have that pattern which makes you super cool and also add a little bit of the street vibe to your outfits because you're playing with the patterns. And make sure that the checkered trouser or a striped trousers which you are going for this look is not a skinny fit one. Make sure that either it's a slim fit, tapered fit, or a relaxed fit one. This is one of the easiest look to pull, guys, if you dress it right. I hope you guys like this video on how to style the hoodie in 6 ways for men here in India. If you like this video, please click the like button. Do let me know in the comment section which outfit style you like the most and which outfit style you want to try. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell, guys, in order to get notified as soon as I post a video. That's it from me. See you guys next time.